Hi, I'm Kimberly Kaufeld. I'm a research statistician at Los Alamos National Lab. This year I'm a problem proposer, so what that means is that I take one of the problems that Los Alamos works on and brings it for the students to work on. This year it's on electrical power forecasting based upon extreme events such as hurricanes or other disasters. And the students start from the beginning to the end to work on this problem. It's challenging, it's motivating. You've got a combination of mathematics and statistics students working on this, all accumulation from the beginning to the end.
A big thing I learned in this workshop is that applied math is used in a lot of different disciplines, from engineering and sciences, and it's really fascinating to me to hear about all of the techniques people use to attack different problems in different areas. And I think that's just one thing that makes math and statistics and these disciplines important for industry and for academia as well.
So I always thought I would pursue a career in a teaching profession, but after coming to this program, I'm really thinking that I could have a real good potential in research area, and I could really connect with a lot of the lab partners here and the research organizations, and I think I could really venture into this side of research. So I think I have a potential to go there.
I think it's been kind of fun because we use a lot of the same techniques, but in different disciplines in different ways, and we think about them differently. So that's been really fun, and just hearing about how different programs are different and stuff, even though we obviously have a lot of overlapping interests, but they're also different from each other, so it's kind of fun.
SAMSI has really given me this opportunity. I always go back to work. And people ask me, oh, how did you learn about this? How did you do that? Or then I say, oh, I met this person at SAMSI. Oh, I'm doing this program at SAMSI. For some reason, SAMSI always comes up, and I'm realizing that as I say that is, oh yeah, I knew this person here. And it all stems back to my postdoc, and it extends back to this workshop. So I've helped out with the IMSM program before, but I was a faculty member as a postdoc. And so being on the other side of it is a very different type of story, is now I'm really seeing the difference of saying I have this problem versus just sort of knowing the problem but not fully invested in it as much as a mentor on the outside of it. But I find myself talking about SAMSI way more times, and I'm sure all of the people that I work with are like, oh yeah, you just mentioned that beforehand.
So this is my first time coming to a workshop like this, working in a diverse group with different kind of skill sets, because in research it could get lonely when you're doing research by yourself for so many years. You're just yourself. This has been a wonderful experience for me because it gave me an impetus, a momentum to proceed in my own research, and I learned a lot. That's something 10 days ago I did not know how to do a classification problem, but today I know how to do it. So that's something that I will always cherish and I will improve upon. And I also got to talk to a lot of fellow researchers and connect.
It's certainly been worthwhile. I am very lucky to have been put into a great group. We've been working very long hours each day and getting a lot of work done. We've been, starting work at 8 or 9 in the morning and finishing at like 2 in the next day in the morning. So from 9 a.m. to about 2 a.m. each day, and it's really, I think our results really show that we have worked well together and gotten a lot accomplished in the process.
Best thing to do is the right thing. The next best thing is to do the wrong thing, and the worst thing to do is nothing. So if we don't do anything, then there is nothing to learn or grow. So it's always better to move forward, come out of my comfort zone or others' comfort zone. So that's the best learning experience for me.